Good morning. Introduce, my name is Valentina Dheka Primadani. I am here to make a tutorial on dismantling and installing welding partner. To release the welding partner, be done as follows. First, remove the partner head cover by turning it to the left. Second, take out the tungsten electrode and collet. Third, release the gas nozzle by turning it to the left. Fourth, remove the collet holder by turning it to the left. To the installation welding partner that must be done is: first, install the collet holder by turning it to the left right. Second, attach the gas nozzle by turning it to the right. Third, insert the electrode into the collet. Then enter the collet from the back of the partner head. Fifth, attach the partner head cap and tighten after emergence of the tungsten electrode tip. That's the tutorial I can make. If there is a wrong work, please forgive. Thank you.